Hey guys, this is Chani and welcome back to my channel. And I assume that most of us we do watch YouTube videos. So what happens is there are some videos in which we see some amazing intros, and that is where it catches our eyes. So in this video I'll tell you how to make some awesome and amazing intros for YouTube videos in Camtasia. Also, this is one of the software which is used by most of the YouTubers, so this is very important, plus it is easy. Have a look. I assume that many of you don't know that Camtasia has its own library, and it has some provision that you can also create your library and store in it. So we will see what all it contains. For that we have to go to the library. As you can see from here, this is Camtasia library and this is default. This is where you make your own library, your stuff, and keep it. So for default library we will just go to Camtasia, and as you can see here there are many options available. There are icons, intros, lower threads, motion backgrounds, music tracks and outros. So it has a pretty good stuff. There are many ways we can actually create like eye-catching intros in Camtasia. In this video I'll show you 2-3 examples, and rest you can explore, you can practice, and if you have any doubt you can just put it in the comment below and I'll get back to you. So we will start, and as the name suggests here, intros, it has some by default intros that you can directly use for your YouTube videos. We will see it later, how do we edit it and customize it. There are more things here like icons and thirds, and this is something, motion backgrounds. This is really very interesting. I find it very interesting and eye-catching, so we will just take one example of it. You have to click on the arrow, and this drop down, you will see there are many options, and to preview it you just have to double click on any of it and you will see this is how it looks. It will basically give you a preview of how it is going to be. We will just take one of it, and we will make a proper intro for a video. Let's suppose I'm taking this floating boxes. I really like it. To work on it you just have to click, drag and drop. Yeah, we'll just play once and see how it looks. And as the name suggests, it is motion backgrounds, so it is basically an image or a clip with motion. Yeah, it's not a static image. There is one important thing I would like to mention here is with all these library, okay, except for your music part, music track, whatever is visible here like intros, outros and these motion backgrounds, this is all without music tracks in it. So by default there is no music in it. If you want to add music in your intro you have to add it separately. We will see how. So first we will see how do we add titles or text here. For that we will just go to annotations, and here are many options. You can pick any and just create your own intro. So I'm just taking it here, and as you can see here at this corner, from here you edit your text. So this is something from where you can change your font plus font type. So there are 4 types basically: regular, italic, bold and bold italic. I usually like bold, so I'll just click here for bold, and from here this box you can change your color. So let us take this black color, as the background is in white. I think it will highlight, and it's all trial and error, so you can just simply do it. So we'll just type here. So I'll type how to create intros for YouTube videos in Camtasia. So as you see here, the font is really small, so you can change the size of your font, your text from here. Just you have to drag in and out. So this is how you do it. Simply take it and adjust as you want it. So this is how I want my text. at this location. Okay, you can have it like, you can rotate it. It is in trend. You must have seen many videos, with this, but with this background I want it straight. Also, if you want to add some animation to it, simply go to behavior, and there are many options available here. Let us use this shifting. So to add behavior, you can drag and drop it to the canvas, or you can drag and drop to the track. Anywhere is fine. Simply do it. We'll just play and see how does it look. So this is how it is going to be. Now, as I have already told here that there is no audio, there is no music track in this. So if you want to add your own music, you just go to library again, and there is this music track. Just click on this arrow and you will see many options available. Also, the best part for this, if you don't want to use these tracks, you can add your own audio clip. For that, the same way we do it, for that you go to file, go to import, go to media, and go to where you have your file saved. Click on the file and open. So it will show you in the media bin as it is shown. Simply drag and drop. So this is how it is. We will just play and see how does it sound. Okay, so one more thing, if you have noticed here, my text, the duration of my text was lesser than the other things in the video. Okay, so if you want your text duration as same as your background, you just have to drag, and from here you can change the duration of your media. So I'm keeping it same. Plus, if you want to have this audio clip finished at the same point this intro is getting finished, you just have to take this cursor and keep it here, and just trim your audio like that and delete the rest part. So this is how you create your intro. There is one more thing, I just have added here just one text. You can have multiple text here at the same time. Suppose I want it for lesser duration and I want to add one more text here. I'll go to annotations again, and I'll simply drag and drop, and from here I'll change. Okay, just type anything here. For suppose I'm typing here welcome. From here you can increase or decrease the size of your text, and also you can rotate it as I have already told. So you can add multiple text in your intro as you need. Okay, and I want this as the same duration with our background. So I'll just play it again and we will see how does it look. Okay, so this is how it looks. So this is just one way of creating intros for YouTube videos, and this is just one example. You can create it with more interesting clips. You can add images and you can add animations as I have shown you already. So this is one way of doing it. So there is one more way to create introduction for YouTube videos in Camtasia. Again, for that you have to go to library, and as I have told already, you have by default intros available in Camtasia library. So there are many multiple options. You can see here, you can just double click on any and it will give you the preview. So you can choose any as per your video requirement. So I'll just take one and show you how do we edit it and add text, extra text if you want, and the music. So I'll just take this stationery, drag and drop. We'll just play and see. Okay, so this is how it is going to be. So to edit your text, first it is very necessary to select your file. Suppose if it is not selected, here you can see there won't be any properties available to edit it, so you have to select it. This yellow line shows that it is selected, and once it is selected, you will see the properties are visible to you. From here you can change your text, you can type whatever you want, and you can just change the font size and color as I have shown you in the previous one. So from here we'll just okay, I'm just decreasing the size for this as of now. You can do it as per your requirement. I'll scroll down, and from here you can change the bottom line. And for that also I'll just increase my size a little bit. I want to show it as more prominent one, and I'll change from here my font type. I'll just choose this one, yeah. And yeah, you can also change the text alignment from here. We will just see again. So this is how it will look. Okay, now if you want to add music, I have already shown you in my previous example that you can add by importing also. For this one we will just choose from here, and you can double click on it and just listen to it and use it as per your requirement. As of now I'm using this electric one. Just drag and drop again. I'll just quickly show you. If you want to add text, you have to again drag and drop and just write here. So this is how we add text here, other than the by default intro one. Just adding a behavior to it, and I'll just keep the duration as same as the background. So we will see how does it look. So see, you can create very creative and very attractive introduction as per your need, and there are many ways. This is just I have just shown you like very basic 2 examples. So as you can see, we can create very amazing and attractive introductions, and I have just shown you like 2 very basic examples, but once you will start exploring it, you will get like many unlimited ideas, trust me. Also there is one more thing I'll tell you, which usually many of us we don't know. At times you have to use the same introduction for your multiple videos, even for say 3-4 videos or for 5 videos. So you don't have to make it again and again. For that you can just make one time your introduction and create a group and keep it in your own library so that you can use it n number of times. For that, let's suppose I just trim my audio here and delete the extra part, and select your everything. Select your media, even your text and your background and your audio clip. You just have to right click on it and make a group out of it. As you can see, it has created into a group now, and simply right click on it again, and the last option, as you can see here, it's add to library. Click on it, give it a name. I'm just giving here, for example, intro 1. It's already exists, so I'll just give here introduction final, and it will go to my default library, and you can just click and check. So it goes to the default library. Just click on OK. So here, as you can see, I have created introduction final. Just play and see. So guys, this is how you create eye-catching intros for your YouTube videos, and plus this is very interesting and you have many options to create it in your own way. So I hope this video is useful for you, helpful for you, beneficial for you, and I hope you like it. If you do so, please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon as it is going to notify you for my further videos. Have a nice day, stay tuned. Thank you.